guys, up on Durdham Downs, a light wind. Last time I was here I was trying to fly a really rubbish catapult launch aeroplane. I found I got this one in stock, another cheap catapult launch aeroplane, HTI group. Well, it's fairly thick foam, that's about 1/4 of an inch there, or 6mm, and I think that's about 3 or 4mm, maybe 5mm. So we'll just give it a little try. Oh, look at that. Well, that was better already than the other one. Pulled it off the hook. Yeah. Too much power. Have to stiffen that up. Okay, we'll have to do something to stiffen that little hook up. Can't do that here. But already that's flying better than that other one did. And if we hit something with it, it's not going to hurt anybody either. That's gone loose now. It's got no strength in it. Okay, we need to stiffen that up. Need to stiffen this up a bit, make it rigid. This is some plywood from one of those wooden kits that I keep putting together. So I reckon I should be able to cut a piece out of it somewhere. And cut a slot in there, push it up in. Obviously that'll add a bit of nose weight to it, so we'll have to remember that when we come to trimming it. Just trying to decide which piece to cut. Use these tin snips. I'll trim that up with a bit of, well, with a file, a bit of sandpaper, and cut a slot in there and push it in. Okay. Because the question is what glue to use. Super glue will be no good. I've got some acrylic glue. It'll probably do if we clamp it all together and just leave it to dry out, and then we can give it a try. This is the acrylic glue that I use. Well, we'll just leave that overnight at the very least. See what it looks like in the morning. I left that pinned up overnight. The glue should be dry by now. So that's our wooden hook glued in place. I have to go and give it a try. Back home again. Quick summary. I don't know if we got any good footage of it flying. I'll show you the video after I've done this summary. Summary is, it does work. Putting that bit of wood in there meant that we could use the catapult launch again, because in the previous session it had gone so soft there, it was only foam and it wasn't holding the rubber band. So yeah, it flies. It doesn't fly fantastic, but it flies good enough to keep you amused. It's certainly not going to fly for 10 minutes or anything like that, unless it happens to catch a thermal. But yeah, that works. Right guys, we'll give this one a try with the wooden hook. Oh, that went. I think that's probably going to have to do. Nanny's waiting in the car. We're not getting an excellent flight, but they're not bad. They're good enough to keep a kid happy, even a big kid like me. So thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Leave us a comment so I know how I'm doing. And somewhere up here there'll be some links to related playlists. Thanks again.